Welcome to the installation of the Scorpion battery mount kit. We're going to start on the non-drive side. The tools that you're going to need are a 3mm, 5mm, and 6mm Allen key, and some diagonal side cutters. First, if your trike has it, remove the idler mount bolt and remove the lower rear rack mount bolt. Now it's time to install the forward bracket. Run our M8 by 40mm bolt through your preferred bracket hole. Add the spacer to the other side of the bracket and loosely install into the threaded idler mount. Installing the rear bracket is similar, except in this case, the rear rack mount acts as the spacer. Loosely install the bracket. Keep in mind that the brackets can be rotated in opposite orientations to get the desired angle for the battery plate. If you don't have a rear rack, the provided spacer can also be used on either side of the bracket. In this case, we want to install the bracket as close to the trike as we can. Install the plate with the pockets facing the ground. Line up the plate slots with the threaded bracket holes. This orientation is ideal for this trike. Place the plate on the brackets and install the M5 by 12 flathead bolts. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Once the flathead bolts are tight, fully tighten both bracket mount bolts. Tidy up those cables with help from your newly installed battery mount. Each bracket features additional holes for zip ties, so keep those wires from drooping down. The Scorpion battery mount features threaded holes that allow you to install our Bosch adapter and Steps monorail adapter. You did it! Now take it out for a test ride! Welcome to the Scorpion battery mount kit installation. This time we're doing the drive side. Tools required are a 3mm, 5mm, and 6mm Allen wrench and some diagonal side cutters. Remove the rear rack mount bolt. This is the non-drive side, but you get the idea. Using the hardware provided, install the rear bracket using the rear rack as a spacer. Leave it loose and remember that the bracket can be installed in either orientation for a desired plate angle. Now the fun part, loosen the idler mount bolt. Before removing all the hardware attached to the mount bolt, it might be helpful to take a picture so that we keep all hardware in the same orientation when we go to install. Install the stock bolt that came with your trike through the bracket and reinstall the hardware in the same order it was removed. It helped to take that picture, didn't it? Install the idler mount bolt and leave the bracket loose. Install the plate with the pockets facing the ground. Line up the plate slots with the threaded bracket holes. This orientation works for this trike. Place the plate on the brackets and install the M5 by 12 flathead bolts. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Once the flathead bolts are tight, fully tighten both bracket mount bolts. The Scorpion battery mount features threaded holes that allow you to install our Bosch adapter and Steps monorail adapter. You did it! Now take it out for a test ride!